this video, I will show you how to send Solana from Robinhood to Phantom Wallet. So we're going to start from our Phantom Wallet app, and from our Home tab, we're going to click on Receive. And in here, we're going to click on Solana at the top. And right now we can either scan the QR code or we can copy this to our clipboard, and we're going to copy this to our clipboard. And now we are going back to our Robinhood app to insert this wallet address. So from our Robinhood Home tab, we're going to click on Send. And here we're going to select Solana. And right now, down below we see Enter Address. Click on this. And in here we're going to paste in the wallet address. So click on Continue after. And right now you can enter the amount of Solana you wish to send. And let's say we want to send $0.50, then we click on Review. Click on Accept and Continue. And now we can submit. And as you can see right now, we're sending Solana. The transfer is processing. We click on Done. And now we can go back to our Phantom Wallet app to see if the transfer is processed. So as you can see, our Solana is received from Robinhood. And that is how you send Solana from Robinhood to Phantom Wallet. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.